Look at me. What is up? I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a little bit of lip combos from the new ABH collection. They came out with some lipsticks and some lip liners. I'm so excited. I am freaking hyped because I love, if you guys know me, I love lip liners and lipsticks, nudes. You guys already know my nudes. I will incorporate maybe some colors, but I don't know. I'm mostly going to do like some combos that I would use, you know what I mean? So I will be doing a little bit of swatches. I have some swatches probably like right here, that way you guys could see with the names on it. So yeah, all right, so let's just jump right in. Let me find out how much they cost because I don't even know. So ABH lip liners. Okay, we're going on their website. Chill. Just kidding. Okay, the lipsticks are $23 and then the lip liners are $18. So it's pretty standard for lipsticks and lip liners. So I don't think it's like too much or like overpriced. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think that's a good price. Yeah. So let's start with the color Cool Brown. I think that's like my favorite one that I swatched. Has to be Cool Brown, and the packaging is just a normal packaging of ABH. Has the rose gold right here with the names on top with the color, the matching color. And the neat thing about this new lip liner, she made it square, like they're like rounded, you know what I mean, like square rounded. Yeah, square rounded. So very nice. The packaging, I don't know if you guys could see right here, this is the packaging. You guys could tell like it's like rounded. That is so that it doesn't move. So like it's really convenient for a makeup artist because we do have lip liners and you know they start rolling. You know, we don't like that. We don't love that. So with this, you just set it down and it's not going anywhere. So thank you ABH and Norvina. Like that was really thoughtful. Okay, I did swatch. I think I swatched everything on my Instagram. If you missed that, I'm gonna have it right here. So we're gonna go in with it. Probably should I zoom you guys in or whatever? I don't know. You're gonna see my pores or whatever. Okay, I zoomed a little bit. So they're not like tugging on my lips. They're not like super creamy, but they're creamy enough. You know what I mean? This color already, I'm just like, girl. Okay, me not knowing how to line my lips. So in this channel, we do overline our lips. No, because I want them more plump, you know, so I overline them. It's super pretty. The color's nice. The color is literally up my alley, like pretty much. Like, I don't know what color this would be like. Would this be like cork? No, cork is like a little darker. Okay, I can't get the song out of my head. Material Girl. Why? I go under my lips. Okay. So 10 out of 10 already. I'm obsessed. I am going to be pairing it up with the color Butterscotch because Butterscotch is so pretty. Or should I do Haze? Hold on. I have Haze in front of me and no, where is she at? Oh, Haze. Okay, so they're like nudie colors, you know what I mean? Haze is more like cool tone a little bit. You could see it's like a nude. Maybe not. Let's do Butterscotch. It's more like a peachy, like a butterscotch kind of. It is in the nude family, but do you guys see how it looks? It's really pretty. The packaging. I didn't even show you the packaging. Who am I? Oh my god. Okay, the packaging. This is how the lipstick looks. It's really nice. Super luxe. Like, I love it. Material Girl. Okay, stop. I need help. Okay. This is going to be kind of like a short video, but Okay. This one's a creamy color. Because she came out with satin, matte. I think this is satin or like a glossy one. So freaking pretty. Okay. I love it. I love it so much. If you guys love like a nude color like this color would be really, really pretty on you guys. And then I'm going to go over it with a little bit more lip liner because obviously I went over the where I applied lip liner. And just to give it like that little contour shade or give it a little ombre effect. You could wear it like this. Or you can matte it out. Like I like to matte out my lips. But if you guys like something glossy like this is super cute. I'm going to matte it out a little bit just to see how it performs, okay? Because that's what I do. I just want to see, because you could always manipulate the lipsticks, you know what I mean? Like how you want it to be. Either glossy or matte. And then we have a matte lip. It's still creamy because it's a creamy lipstick, so I can still feel like a moisture, like a hydration, you know what I mean? But I matted the shine out a little bit, and I think it looks really, really pretty. Oh my god, I have like little mascara stuff on my eyes, so if you guys see that, mind your business, game. I'm just playing. But yeah, so this is how this lipstick looks. What do you guys think? I'm going to wipe it off and I'm going to apply a different color. I'm going to take whatever's left on my foundation brush and like matte mute it out. So the next color I'm going to take is called MALT. So again, the packaging is really nice and sleek. And the lip liner is pretty long, you know what I mean? Like it's standard, like I like it. So this is the color right here. I have so much stuff swatched right here. But that's the color. This is like a darker color. Let me see, hold on. It has a little bit, to me, it has like a little bit of reddish, like a... So kind of the same, but not the same. It has like a little bit of, I want to say like the brick color. Like, I don't know how to explain that color. Like a berry, no, not berry. Maybe like chestnut, hold on. Let me just see, chestnut. Kinda. This is chestnut and that's MALT. So MAC and then ABH. Let me see the color I'd pair it up with. Let's see Peach Bud. I want to check that out. I forgot how it looks because I already swatched everything. So this is like more like a pinky-ish. Like a peachy pink. And then there's Toffee. Let me try Warm Peach. Let's see Warm Peach because that sounds really cute. Okay, so that's Warm Peach right here. So it's more like in the peachy fam. It's nude but not nude. Let's see. Yeah, this is like peach. Super cute. So the other one was like nudie, but if you're looking for something like with a little bit more color, you'd want to get Warm Peach. And again, this is like a satin. Super cute. I enjoy it. I enjoy this color. Really nice. This is the color right there. You guys can't really tell, huh? Because all these lights, but this is the color. Let me put a little bit of Peach Bud in the middle. It's like more pink. This is like a pinky. So it's like not, to me, it's not peach at all. It's like more in the pinky fam. I don't know. So kind of like more wearable. Super fucking cute. I love it. I cannot swatch all of them, you guys, on my lips. I'd regret it later. Look at, oh my god, I already ruined my makeup right here. I'm gonna look crazy. I haven't even took pictures yet, guys. Oh my god. It's okay, it's okay. Concealer again. I mean, not concealer, what the heck. Foundation again. So yeah, let's see another shade. Okay. Let's try Hazelnut. So Hazelnut looks like this. It's probably gonna be a little lighter. Let's do something lighter. Yeah. So it's like kind of like on my lips, you know? It's still nude. But it's like muted, you know what I mean? I like it. It's pretty. Like some days where you want to like actually like something wearable, nude, but not too dark. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's see what we could pair this one up with. This is soft brown. This is soft brown. Okay, so the soft brown looks like this. Let's see. Ooh, it's pretty. It is what it is, soft brown. It's a nice color, like a nice little lip combo. Super simple, super like, you know, like cute, you know? Like, I like it. What do you guys think? Okay, your girl, her lips are on fire. Let's put some powder. Let's like, not powder, but whatever's on my beauty blender. Okay. So another lip liner that I wanted to check out. Let's see. Let's do like a berry one. Let's do a berry one. I hope I don't regret this. Let's do like a red one. Okay, let's do a cranberry right here. I'm scared. Just kidding now. It looks like this. Okay. Ooh, this color's pretty. It reminds me of like kind of like Beat from MAC, I want to say. So cute. Okay. Because the other red one is called cherry, like a regular cherry, you know? Okay, so that's how this looks. Let me see the lipstick that I'm going to pair it with. Hold on. Should I pair it up with American Doll or Royal Red? Hold on. Because there's like a bluish red and just like a straight up red. These are, I think these are matte, both of them. Hold on, let me check for you guys. They're really, really, really pretty reds. Oh, okay, yeah, they're both matte. So these ones are finally matte, so I'm super excited to try this formula because I've tried like mainly like the satin ones. So this is Royal Red and this is American Doll. Royal Red, American Doll. Let's try Royal Red. Okay? Okay. I'm so excited. Ooh. Okay. The matte formula though. The matte formula is nice. Not drying at all. Oh, okay. She's freaking beautiful. Let me see. Ooh. I'm in love with it. And you know me, girl. I do love reds. I love like berries, reds and stuff, but I don't really like, I mean, I never use them. You know what I mean? How am I gonna front? I'm like, I rarely use them. No, I never use them. But I feel some type of way. Hold on. Let me look at myself. Red is powerful. I want to say like red is such a powerful color. I'm in love. I'm in love with this. And let's matte it out with some translucent powder. So cute. Oh, did it come off? Does it come off? Oh my god. No. Okay. Do I even want to try that on? I'm doing this for you guys. Oh my god. Well, at least you know that's not going to come off. But, you know, it's going to be a really good freaking color. Good matte lipstick. Okay. So this is how I look. I need some foundation. Hold on. Let's try the other color, cherry. I'm going to regret it. I think I'm going to regret it. Hold on. So cherry looks like this, the lip liner. Okay, it's a true cherry color. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I love the pencil. Like I said again, the lip liners are super creamy. Like, they're creamy, but not over creamy, you know? Like, but they don't tug, so I always trust Norvina. She always comes out with the best of the best. Right here, we're gonna go in with American Doll, and she looks like this again. So True Red. Okay. She bright. She is bright. What do you guys think? She's cute. She's like a baddie, you know? She's a baddie right here. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, let me get this lip liner. It's called Blackberry. This is the color of it. Oh, wait. This is the color of it. Sorry. Let me see. She's pretty dark. To do like an ombre effect. Ooh. Look at me, look at me. It gives it like a darker color, like an ombre effect, like I said. You guys could. Look at how it changes the color, like it mutes it out. Because this one was bright, the American Doll was bright. But I want to try this lipstick. It's called, it's right here. This color is called Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum. She's another matte. Let me just, I want to see how it looks. You can make your own shade. But look at this, tones it down. It's more like a berry red. You know what I mean? What do you guys think? She's cute. Okay, we need to take her off, and I'm going to put back on like a matte, like a brownie nude. Oh. No. Okay, I need some concealer. I hate myself right now. Okay. She's cute. She's cute. She's still cute, right? I'm still cute, right? Like you see the red. Like I went too crazy. Like I went too crazy. So like the red was on there, and I'm like, you're done. You're done. All right, my loves. So it looks a little crazy because I did swatch the red. It was a mish. It was a mission to, you know, get it to work. Okay, and it still doesn't look good, but we're gonna have to just go with the flow. I put a little bit of setting spray. Maybe it'll like blend it out. I don't know. But I do have like a little bit of red around. And but nonetheless, I really enjoyed the lip liners and the lipsticks. They're really pretty. The mattes, they were very creamy, very comfortable. And the satin, they are just so pretty. And not too like overpowering. Like they have like a nice sheen to it. So I love it, and you know, it's just really pretty. And this, my favorite lip combo has to be the Butterscotch and Cool Brown. I really like it. I really like it a lot. You already know I love my nudes, and I just think it's really pretty. I think it complements, like, it's gonna complement a lot of skin tones. And if you guys want like a mixing shade, butterscotch all the way, period. Okay. So, but yeah, this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys liked the little mini tutorial. Again, you guys already saw some swatches and everything. I wasn't able to swatch everything because, girl, you already know. It's too much. It's a little too much. But just know that they're going to be amazing. They're going to be worth your money. I just think that they're just pretty. So, again, if you guys want to try it out, make sure you guys go. I'll leave the link, everything down below for you guys to check it out. And I'll put the combos that I did because, girl, yeah, they were cute. They were cute. They're super cute. Make sure before you guys head out, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, okay? So you guys can be part of the family and you could just join me, you know, okay? But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.